Hello, and welcome to this HR Johnson Second Medic web app. Today we'll be looking at how to use the web app and its services to meet your health and well-being requirements. You can do many things, including consult a doctor, book tests, and more. So let's get started. Through this link, you'll be able to either install the Android version of the app or use the online web app service for iOS or other devices. It'll take you to this page where you'll be able to insert your phone number and your email address. It'll then ask you to provide the one-time password sent to your phone via text message. After that, fill in the demographics of who you are, where you're from, your age, and it'll take you to the main page. On the main page, you can see that there are many options. Teleconsultations are for your primary consultation needs. You can also have second opinion, COVID questions, diagnostics and tests, e-pharmacy, mental health, dental care, nutritional care, and also various fitness options, including a calorie counter and recommended basal metabolic requirements. So let's get started with teleconsultations. This shows us the basic framework of the app. Basically, this shows what we require in order to meet your question and give you the right answer. We need to know a little bit about you, your age, your gender, if this is for you or for someone else. The question that is being asked, what do you actually want to know from us? Do you have any symptoms? Do you have anything that you have felt recently? Any investigations that you've had, including the results? And also a little bit about you, including your weight, height, blood pressure and pulse rates if you have them. This just gives an idea of your general health and well-being. Any further tests or uploads that maybe need to be done can be done via the actual messaging service of the app. Once your request has gone through, you'll receive a phone call between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. within 24 hours of the call confirmation. At this point, you'll be able to converse with your doctor and explain to him your problems. The second opinion service is very similar in that you put in the question you have, the symptoms and so on, except you also have a space to put in the diagnosis given to you by the previous doctor. This is important as it helps the doctor understand why you wish to get a second opinion, what your doctor thought the issue was, and why it may not be the right diagnosis or why a better management plan may be suitable for you. In diagnostics, you can book various tests and blood works. This can be quite specific ones, for instance, a full blood count or your ureas and electrolytes, or it can be more encompassing packages for your general cardiovascular health, including many other different blood tests in one package. We also have an e-pharmacy option where you can upload the prescription that you have been given by a doctor and request the specific medication, dosage, and how many of the tablets or volume of medication that you require. This can be sent to our pharmacy team and your medication request will be sorted accordingly. In the COVID section, you can ask about any symptoms or any questions you have specifically about COVID and how it's impacting you, and also any questions you may have about the vaccines, any concerns you may have, so that we can guide you correctly and let you know what is safe for you. In home care, you can request appointments for various things such as diabetic care, elderly care, physiotherapy, nursing, newborn baby and motherly care. A variety of different holistic approaches to treating any kind of issues other than just diagnoses that you may be having at home. We also have a dedicated mental health panel in which you can talk about any of the various mental health symptoms that you may be having. It's very important to be open with our doctors, and you can trust them with these kind of issues. And it is important as this is how you'll get the best opinion and best medication that's right for you. Nutritional counseling is a new service that we offer, in which you can ask for specific nutritional and dietary plans to be provided to you based off your targets and what you wish to achieve over the coming few weeks or months. An important part of this is the waist to hip ratio, as well as your weight and height. All of these together will generate a BMI and also other factors that will look into whether you are of the correct weight or whether there is some improvement to be done. We also have a helpful way of showing how to measure your waist and hip correctly in order to provide the most accurate results. In dental care, you can ask about any issues you've been having with your teeth or jaw to get a dental opinion about these kind of issues. In fitness, you can get various yoga, diet, or fitness plans tailored for you, in which you set out again the goals that you have, what you wish to achieve, and why you wish to achieve them. And this can be sent for review and a personalized plan sent back for you to follow. Our wellness reward program offers you a variety of different tasks to do on a daily basis, and also some goals to try and achieve on a more long term plan. These can be, for instance, getting a review from a physician, to get preventative risk assessment, to get enrolled in a disease management program or a fitness program. These will provide rewards to you in turn, as well as daily tasks that you can perform, which are just simple mindfulness activities, reflective activities, activities to reduce stress that you can just take off as you go about throughout your day. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a variety of different icons. So, of course, we have home, but you also have the messaging icon where you can talk to the doctor throughout your active cases. Here, you can also upload any photos, videos, or documents to your physician so they can see what evidence or what tests or what symptoms that you are having. There is also the option of chatting via WhatsApp that can be found by clicking the WhatsApp icon in the bottom left. And you can also see any requests that have been sent through to the Second Medic team by the icon on the right hand side. Finally, there is also a menu explaining all of these icons, as well as a WhatsApp link for any kind of help that you require or questions that you may have. And you can talk to our customer support team directly, and they can answer your problems that you may be having. Thank you for looking through the Second Medic web app with us. We hope that you find this useful. If you have any questions, or if you're having any kind of problems or difficulties in using the app, feel free to contact us and we'll be sure to help you straight away. Thank you.